What's going on, everybody? In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to bolt any piece of equipment or safe to a concrete floor if you've never done it before. If you've watched any of my videos, you've seen this air compressor in the background bolted to this ugly pallet. It's been like that for years. I've wanted to take it off the pallet, but I never fully trusted the little narrow legs with how tall the air compressor is. And there's just certain things in shops that should probably just be bolted down for safety. So I'm going to bolt my air compressor down, walk us through using some concrete anchors, and let's get started. All right, first thing I gotta do real quick is get this thing off the pallet. Once I got the air compressor right where I want it, I'm just gonna mark all 4 bolt locations with a Sharpie. I put this drain line extension on here a while back, preparing to do this because I knew it'd be really hard to reach inside with my hand to drain the water out. All right, these are the actual anchors that we are using. This is a 3/8 wedge bolt. And the way these work is, it just has this little cut sleeve wrapped around the bottom, and then the bottom of the bolt is actually tapered. So when you tighten this up, it'll push that wedge through the sleeve, pressing the sleeve out against the concrete. It wants you to use a 3/8 drill bit, which is the same size as the bolt. Now, if you're gonna epoxy something in, sometimes it's a little bit smaller. I know in a drywall anchor, it'll be a little bit bigger to allow for maybe one of them plastic sleeves. But on this, same size drill bit as the bolt. You do need a masonry drill bit, and a masonry drill bit has these little flaps on each side that kind of scoop the concrete out of the way. It's not actually the flutes that are cutting the concrete. These are just moving it to the surface of the hole. It is best to have a hammer drill. If you don't have one, it's not impossible to drill with that one, but it does make it a lot easier, and it will probably lengthen the life of your drill bit. You need to have at least a 1/4 inch hole under the anchor to allow just for like crap and debris and a little headroom under it. I don't want the entire bolt sticking up, so I'm gonna drill a little deeper. So probably, I want the anchor to go in the ground 1 3/8, so I'm gonna drill about 1 5/8. This drill has a stopper that we could set to 1 5/8. It's a little hard to measure exactly. If your drill does not have this, another thing you can do is take a piece of tape and measure up however far you want to drill, in our case 1 5/8, and then wrap the tape right there. Actually, I think I want to go counterclockwise. And then when you wrap it, leave a little tab, fold it back over on itself as a little flapper. That way when you're drilling your hole, this will start wiping away the dust right at the top of the surface, and you'll know you're deep enough. All right, all 4 anchors are through their slots. Now all we have to do is tighten them up. All right, well that's it. Definitely not going anywhere now. I know that was simple and quick, but if I helped at least one person out who's never done it before, then mission accomplished. Maybe we'll call these quick tips. I don't know, but if you're new to my channel, I'm Justin Voss. I make welding and fabrication videos here on YouTube, so I hope you consider sticking around and subscribing. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys next time.